Hello and welcome back to a new episode from Sailing Prosperity. In this episode you will get to see how we are flying with the Gennaker, and it's really amazing feeling once it's getting up there. But we also have to fight with more than 4 knots of current against us. On land we get to do a lot of fun stuff too. So let the fun begin. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We are a family of 5 from Norway who absolutely love sailing around and embarking on new adventures. Here we have 12-year-old Selina, and this is 9-year-old Victoria. And the youngest one is Carolina, who is 3 years old. And we are Thomas and Katrin. On this channel we will share videos and provide more information about our daily lives and exciting life experiences of the Flinskøs family.
So we are about to leave Boulogne-sur-Mer, but I think we will wait a couple of minutes. This rain can't last forever. We have to move early this morning because we're going to dredge inside there. So we have to move our boat. I can't see the dredge boat yet, so I think we'll just stay put until it's a little bit less rain. Yeah. It's important to enjoy the coffee as well. Skikkelig fisk da.
There was a fish, but now there's not.
It's always good for the morale to get some American pancakes on our passages. We're now outside France, on our way to Dieppe, I believe it's called. And we're having a good time. We got fish earlier. I had to let it go, so it could grow a little bit bigger.
Hey, let it go! No.
No.
Hey, you, money.
Hey, you. It's a bit fog, it's a bit rain. We did sail wing on wing the whole day earlier today, but now we are motoring. It's 7 hours left, so we need to get going. Hopefully we will reach the marina before it gets dark. We started off with sailing split sails, wing on wing. That's a lovely feeling on a sailboat. And we had 10-12 knots of downwind. Beautiful sail, but with the current against us, so it wasn't moving too fast. So halfway in here today, or let's say the last 5 hours we have been motoring because the wind died down, and because of the weather we haven't been able to enjoy much of the French coastline. We have actually not been able to see the French coastline. But now we are approaching Dieppe. It is right over there. And we are really looking forward to get in there. I think it will be around 8 o'clock. And yeah, it's been 11 hours today. That's a bit long for us. We were planning to go further and do night sail in this area, but we're not up for it yet, so we are just slowing down again and enjoying more of rocks.
Except from the rolly entrance.
Wow, look at this entrance.
Looking forward to see what more this town has to offer.
We are doing a little morning hike. Yes.
Check out this view.
Yes, jag är med.
Yes? Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Aldrig har hunnit där. Fiskedamm här.
No fishing in this area.
Och aldrig har
No swimming.
no swimming.
That's right.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We went for a walk and Carolina got some candy.
Here. Candy.
Let me see your tongue.
Här på mig.
Se för den ja. Den är över.
Kanske läpparna.
Åh, läpparna. And the lips.
Very exciting.
Well, it's really narrow where they are going out.
Yeah. And you have the
Towboat. Tugboat.
is it a tugboat?
Tug.
I thought it was as an muddringsboat.
Mommy.
It's going to push it out.
Oh. But they have a dinghy there on the other side.
Yeah. it's full of people. That's not easy to see when I'm sitting down. Using the ropes all the way to get out safely. It's an impressive ship.
Allez un peu de garde, allez un peu de garde. En parallèle. On choque la garde. Fais aller la garde. Allez. Ouais, on a là. Prépare après derrière. Ok. Allez, on se prépare derrière, on passe derrière. Ok, on choque l'arrière. C'est bon pour nous. Okay. Ça va le cul. Ah.
It's a little bit easier to maneuver this boat.
Can I have some fries?
Ja, vel du.
Har du blå lepper? What's up with your tongue?
Tang.
Tongue.
Du sa nesten stringtruser der, Thomas.
Ja. This is so strange. We are now at almost at level with the city. As you can see, this is the watch pier. Many people come out and take pictures, and I will film it from the boat later. It's over there. And I read on the maps, I think it was 8 meters between high and low tide. The bridge here is almost level. When me and Caroline walked earlier today, it was very steep. And that is why they have so long bridges that are moving.
This is the gates to heaven. Playground heaven.
For en savnet. Jeg lurer på hvordan det ser ut.
Du satte 18. Og så skal pappa. Pappa, du må prøve etterpå. Se om det sitter fast. Det sitter fast når jeg skal ligge.
No thanks.
Fordi du er nesten like stor som mamma, så du burde prøve.
Ja. Takk for det.
Ups.
Look at that tide difference. Now it's low tide. You can see the ladder up is quite steep. And this is the viewing platform. It was almost down in the water yesterday. It's so high. It's like that all the way around town. Do you see anything you like?
Too much we like. Everything. Nei, det var ikke det vi skulle ha på donut.
What about the food store?
Jeg har lyst på mamma.
No.
Den? Ja, altså du.
Se på de regnene.
So today we are taking a hike
Au.
to the chateau.
Reklame på bygget.
Au. Det er masse maur på seg.
It's really high up.
De har til og med reklame.
I think a couple of kilometers up in the sky.
Det er veldig...
That's how it feels.
Daddy,
It's probably 100 meters or 200
Daddy,
meters.
maybe that is a castle to the
Yeah.
king and
And in French,
the queen.
they say chateau. Chateau.
I'll take a... Goodbye. Bonjour. Bonjour. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bonjour, ça va?
Au revoir.
Ça va bien?
Au revoir.
Ça va très bien?
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. That's what you are saying. Goodbye.
Hvis det er en chateau, så skal jeg være med. Ja. Og alle vinduer eller panser. Skal vi gå? Ja, se. Mamma, se basseng! Ja. Jeg har også lyst til...
So, I got the best seat. It's sitting panoramic. It's not allowed to go into the cave because it's falling out. But look at this. Da, da, da.
Vi skal finne en benk og sette oss på.
It's quite big castle. That's one big anchor. You're hiding from the sun?
Yeah.
You're burning up. Wow, amazing view. Yeah. Look at this view. What is in that box? Do you have a secret box? Do you have a secret box with you?
Oh, yes, I
Good time.
What?
do. With some good stuff.
Time.
And there's only 4.
Yeah, Daddy said no. No, thank you.
That means there are 3 to me and 1 to mommy.
Mine. Okay.
So
Oh
we
no.
do have an enemy over here. I think it's a hunter. And I know what he's looking for.
Nej, nå går man
Så blikket mitt går vekk.
Nei, jeg tenker det går bare nærmere.
We are now about to leave Dieppe. It has been a wonderful city. We had a really good time here. It's amazing to walk around in the streets, in between all the old buildings. But now it's time to go offshore again. Do some sailing in the English Canal. And then we will get occupied with that boat. There's a cruise boat over here. It's been a really nice city. We had much fun, playgrounds, good food, nice people. But now we are off to anchoring place. We're going to anchor up along a beach somewhere. Goes tomorrow. We have a big journey in front of us with light winds, so we will try to put up the Gennaker. It's the first time in many years. I think I've only sailed it 2 or 3 times, so not our favorite sail, but little wind, and we don't have much option with the other with the spinnaker ripped off in 2.
You're going to use the blue one today?
Not today. That's for tomorrow. The blue bag.
Blue bag.
That old church up there is called Notre Dame, which some other churches as well in France. We don't know why. If anyone knows, please let us know. But that was a little too far for us to walk, so yesterday we went up to the castle instead, and there were some amazing views up there too. We have been fishing all day, but no fish at all. We have been fishing with lines, with shrimp, yeah, most things, but no fish. It's been during daytime, so maybe the fish isn't too hungry at midday. Maybe we'll catch something tonight when we are on anchor. Caroline is up in the cockpit with me. Is everything okay? Yeah. We are just amazed of the French coastline. It's like nothing we've seen before. It's just 20-30 meters of beach and then steep straight to the air. We check how high this is, but it's really straight. And some places in between I've been digging out to some industry or to some cities. Also a lot of Asian wind farms. Yeah. He's in a good mood now.
Yes.
Yes. Everything okay? Yeah. Are you dancing? That's very good. The sun is out. Motoring with the main up. We're actually doing more than 8 knots now because of the current. 2 knots of current with us. Look at this. Green water. Sunshine. It's good. It's all good. So just check the maps and it says that actually, I don't know if you can call it mountains, but these cliffs are between 100 and 150 meters high. It doesn't look that high, but that is a lot. Over in the valley there's the city. And I think it's only 1 or 2 peaks over there where we are going to be anchoring for the night. And I asked Selina and she said as long as it's more than 10 degrees she will go swimming. And here we have 12 degrees. That's still very cold. She has a wetsuit, so I think she'll do just fine. That is so close. I hope I get it on the camera. It is just behind us. Always fun to be visited by a seal or two. Oh, it's been many years since this sail was up. So I am really excited about how this will be. And the rest of the boat is sleeping, so I am trying to hoist the Gennaker alone. So let's see how that goes. That is crazy. That is just epic. Oh my god, it's huge. I just have to find out how I said it correctly, because it is throwing back and forth. This was just amazing. Look at it. It is so big. Oh my god. That is so cool. There we go. And here it is. I'm just like a child right now. It's 8 knots of downwind and we are doing 4.5 knots. Amazing. Okay, I'll see what I can do with this floating stuff. Maybe I have to check a YouTube film or something about it. Yeah, I have to do something. This is cool. So a couple of minutes of adjustment and it looks like I nailed it. That's just beautiful. Look at this. 7 knots of downwind, 8 knots. And we are doing 4.5 knots. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So today was a fantastic day sailing. Absolutely beautiful. With the Gennaker up and everything. But the wind came a little bit too little and the current is about to turn against us, so we are trying to get to harbor before it's too late. And yeah, this is the first time we can see this huge areas covered with seagrass coming in from the Atlantic Ocean, and all of a sudden it's just all around us. Yeah, I guess we'll get used to that. So we're closing in on land again, and tonight we will be on anchor, and hopefully tomorrow we can go out to some of the islands, the Channel Islands, St. Anne. So let's hope the weather is okay, and we have to time the current there as well. I saw today there was actually 5.4 knots of current, so we have to wait tomorrow. Either we have to go out tonight again, that's not an option, so we will probably have to wait until tomorrow at 4 o'clock p.m. before we can leave and set sail for the new place. First we have to struggle against the current here. We are just an hour too late, so the current is turning now, and hopefully it won't get too bad, but we are expecting 2 to 3 knots against us just before we are entering the harbor, but we'll see. This is just boring crazy. I'm now going in above 7 knots. We're doing 3 knots on the ground. That means I'm fighting 4 knots of current. That's like a never-ending story. And the sea is all over the place. We're just bouncing around, aiming for that pole. I don't want to hit it, but it's kind of hard not to. put up to the head sail just to help a little bit, but this is rough conditions. And it's going so slow. Just going so slow. You can see the current on the pole there. Since we have the wind with us, there are actually even more waves because the wind is going against this current. And I'm tired. I'm so looking forward to throw out the anchor today, to drop the anchor. This is just unbelievable. Come and check out the speed we are doing.
Huh?
Come and check out the speed we are doing. We are going so fast. You can nearly see what we are passing. We now have 5 knots of current against us.
Really?
So we will between 4 and 5. So we will be in tomorrow. Well, I will head for land now.
That's crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
5 knots of current. It looks like it's fast moving. This is really fun. Yeah, we made it. We passed the pole. That was a slow motion movie.
So weird looking at this.
So much waves. Just crazy.
You can see where the sea is calmer.
Yeah.
There's a line.
Yeah. Now we get a little bit more help from the sail. Hopefully. No, not really.
I think I'll wait maybe 15 minutes before I put Caroline to sleep.
Yeah, no need to do that right now.
No.
We have some waves to finish off here.
For us Norwegians, this is just crazy.
Yeah.
We don't have this at all.
We have it in the fjords.
Yeah, but you can't
It's
see
not
it
like
like
this.
this.
No.
You don't see it.
Never seen anything like this. So what to do when it is blowing high wind outside? We have Belgian waffles.
Is mine princess cake?
Yes, that's your princess cake. It's Belgian waffles with a lot of cream and a good movie. Everything it takes to have a bit fun. Yeah. Was it good? All right. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.